intro. So you need to say hi. Instagram. You need to say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back to the channel.
What are we doing today?
We're going to MUTORASHANGA.
Period.
So we're going on a road trip.
Period.
We're gonna do a bit of swimming and a lot of drinking.
You know what I'm saying?
He can swim, so he's gonna teach us all how to swim. Okay, let's go, guys. Say hi. Guys, say hi.
What up, what up, what up?
Let's go.
It's Hillsy in the building. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Sit down, relax, baby, let me take you on a ride. Welcome to my roller coaster.
So the first and most important stop is obviously getting some liquor.
Unjust, you good. It's done just, you good. It's done just.
We got our alcohol, guys, so we're about to hit the road. Hit the road, yeah. And don't you come back.
Then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come back, no.
Refresh. Oh, you watch.
So much emotion.
You laugh it off. And we move.
Talk about it. That's the most important.
Make them they talk and so they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, do. There go sing a salad when you dey move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you dey look. I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got the one you console.
Brief stop, guys. We need, what do we need? Cigarettes and snacks.
I don't know if we should.
If you're under 18, click out. This is not the video for you. Oh, I don't smoke, by the way. Just to clear that. It's not for me. Oh shit, my phone. Yeah, so we're just getting a few things, like a few snacks and some smokes for those who do. So, pretty much.
You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, oh. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, oh. I'm a me happy adult, oh. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, oh. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fly, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
Green food.
So we're here, guys. Welcome to MUTORASHANGA, Zimbabwe. By the way, today's Independence Day. I don't know if I mentioned that. Today's Independence Day. And this place is actually so packed. We didn't expect it to be this full. Kind of disappointed because we thought it would just be us. But yeah. People are not feeling the vibe. Are you feeling the vibe?
Yeah, the vibe is all good, man.
My Jaco's not feeling the vibe. Mamkura, are you feeling the vibe?
Are you not feeling the vibe?
Happy.
Why you say I did nothing for you? If I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Young last. Now everybody could job very fast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of our life.
Doing photos. What do you have to say for yourself? Well, that's Father Lee taking us.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Happy birthday, Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yes, I am.
That's good.
Say hi. 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 Eating rice and spaghetti.
But BRAAI one this, that's a BRAAI stand. Now.
Oh, really?
Usually the water is much lower. They're sitting at the ground.
Alright. Depends on name me, ma'am. MUTORASHANGA, what is this?
So let me tell you about MUTORASHANGA.
Okay.
Yeah, been here before, but thank God for good rains. So we've had some beautiful rains. My boy.
Water levels. I want to. Do I want to put on red? Rutonor.
Kana makeva asitobopindik.
Eh?
Asitobopindik.
Okay, Zajon.
Gary, how's Zim?
Zim has been a vibe. Still
Okay.
a vibe. Always will be a vibe.
Love it for you.
Hey, man. That's what trippy crawlies and they'll just crawl out.
In the water?
Yeah.
Oh my god. If I die, I die.
If you die, you die? That's the one. That's the spirit right there.
I wonder how deep it is though.
So, how's Zim for you?
Zim has been amazing. I don't want to leave. It's been amazing.
You heard it here, folks. It's been great.
It's been amazing. When was the last time you came? 3? Not bad. Not bad. 4 for me.
4.
But when I came, it was just like for 2 weeks.
That's usually the thing, eh? You can't, yeah.
Can't stay for too long.
Yeah, that's fine.
Will you move back to Zim permanently? Can I have you in frame?
No.
Would you move back?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Why not?
I'm sorry?
Why not?
I wish I had a good reason which I could say on camera, but like, yeah.
Okay, you can tell me, I'll cut it out.
Alright, nah, it's too much human suffering.
That ain't no secret. Everybody knows that.
Hey man, but you're not gonna catch me on camera saying it.
It's facts though.
Hey, I don't know, like the divide is too much. The divide is too much. Like I feel bad.
Right?
I feel bad.
Like the basic things here, like
Bro, the kids were up there, like it's sad, like. So I don't know. Unless if things change, yeah, you never know. But I would love to. I'm not gonna lie. It's home. Always will be home. Oh, is it freezing? Oh, do my life. Come on, Kev. You no swim, madam. Come on, Kev.
Life jacket.
Eh? Come on, Kev. You have to do no swim, madam. Come on, Kev.
And you go to the Asterix.
No swim, madam. Eh? No swim. Eh? 10. Eh?
amen.
Yes. Kampiro kandinera kuita ndenda kupa moyo asina kwapuleta kunyetsa kuti mukomani makundikana asisa kuti ndimbobira kuti nditi first one asi zvanenda kuita ezoti tembere yenyu mumusiri wangu iri moyo
ndizozvo mukoma. Aiwa, uyu motomutarisire yeyu arapa.
Oh, you can dive?
Yeah, one of them can you see?
A diver.
Yeah, actually, that's your costume. That's your costume.
Things people say just before they have to swim, eh?
I left my costume there.
Alton, you're supposed to be schooling us, Kasha, on how to swim.
It's the MUTORASHANGA experience, unless
I'm happy if you are happy.
Marriage, you can make it. No one's in my decision.
Magic computer say.
Hey, nah, marriage, what are you talking? Exactly, marriage. Since when?
To the foreigners.
Oh, that's I'm a foreigners. I'm a foreigners. This was. To consider leadership. Leadership, leaders, exactly.
We are your people.
it's okay.
Oh, okay. This was okay.
Yes.
Ndiremereni munhu mutema seni. Ndiremera murungu.
Come on.
Inini kana ndauda kutasa kurema kwangu. Bozi varungu vanoda mahaifu akanyanyisa.
Rema.
Right andi. Vanoda mahaifu akanyanyisa.
Leadership. Leadership.
Nenda uko.
Leadership kutarisa.
Bananotanga kuratidza simba
ra. Aiwa, kevika. Yo chitira zvemuru. Exactly.
Tuzori mama wangu.
Aiwa. Uri kubvuza kuti unorima chi?
Kurima.
Love you. I'm trying to kiss you.
Pull it close.
It's not a mood.
Yeah, I'm pink.
I'm ready my glitters.
White.
Tell them to let it go. Tell them to stop it. Tell us to fire with the burn them dirty everything. Tell them to let it go. Tell them to stop it. Tell them to let it go. Tell them to stop it. Why them so much shut up stop it.
I'm in a competition right
We're having sausage.
What's going on, guys? What did I miss out on?
Timbani Teju. Why go to Penisuru? It's beautiful though.
It is nice, right?
Yeah, the sun's gone. I'm sure the sunset would have been nice from here.
It was amazing. I'm telling you, it was amazing.
I'm Kuru, one for the vlog. Let's do it.
That becomes our trademark.
Yeah, every time. Guys, so perfect, yeah. So we had a great time in or at Is it it?
I'll catch it, Rory.
In MUTORASHANGA. Ice cream. Staring. Sasa kana sidakwa.